guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make brownie sundae. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients you need. So you need 4 scoops of ice cream, 5 brownies, crushed up Oreos, sprinkles, chocolate sauce and whipped cream. Then 4 scoops of delicious ice cream. Put it in tray. Now we are going to put the brownies in. Squish it down. That's enough. And some. Now we put the sauce. Then put a cream again. And then some Oreos. Very nice Oreos. And a brownie again. More stuff. And some more stuff. Come out! It's not coming out. Then some sprinkles. No, cream first. Compress it. 2 odd cups. And now then the sprinkles. And that is how you make a sundae. This is my very own brownie sundae. Now I'm gonna taste it. Nice, very nice. If you like this video, please subscribe because we need some more subscribers. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, subscribe, hit the notifications bell and like this video. See you in the next recipe video. Goodbye.